All right, let's do this voiceover. That's the guy, number 20. I don't know what he's doing, turning something on, but I think that's clean right there. Gave him space. Side by side. Got him. That was fair. Now, let's see what he does. Now listen to him explain exactly what he pushed the pass is.
When you got a curve, right, and I'm slowing down to the curve, if I'm behind you and I push you, of course the car is going to go straight.
All right, so we keep going. Let's see what's going to happen here. Number 24 is the 2023 overall winner. Kart 20 won third place that year. And number 27, the one that you see right now, won first place last year. I won third place last year by 1 point. You'll never guess who I beat. Yeah, that was an urgent care visit 2 days later. Let's rewind to last year in November, when basically the same move, and he let me go clean. That's probably the 1 point that he lost that made him lose third place, so no wonder he's so mad now. Let me know what you think. Was that clean or dirty? And it looks like 32 goes for defensive line, messes up. That's 23. Kart 27, we'll go over what happened in a separate video. But basically, this is just a part of him taking out his rival. And I got by number 20 right there. And this is my favorite part of the video.
I think I'm in first place.
With this episode, we're going to focus on kart number 20. Didn't know that was him. Honestly, had no idea who was back there. But all I know is that there's no way that somebody's going to bump to pass me again on my first win. No way. Yep, that was on purpose. This was funny. You dive bomb and spin yourself out. That's not my fault. That's why you practice. Being called dirty by a cheater means nothing. Now let me start editing episode 2.